It's Thanksgiving Day. I've got one of my main men with me here. One of my little turds. I'm gonna try to kill his first deer today. We got a bunch of doe tags. Landowner having a cow wanting us to take some does out. So we're gonna try to burn some doe tags, get some meat in the freezer. He's pretty pumped. He's never killed a deer. And old dad's pretty excited too. We are heading towards some cornfields. Usually a pretty good spot, but you never know. Watch that buck. Every deer we're running up on is a young buck. I'm crushing his spirits because I won't let him shoot a young buck. I've seen one doe, and it spooked for some reason. I don't even know why, but it's early yet. Are you on it? Talk to me. It's gonna fire whenever you pull that trigger. You shoot when you're ready. Smoked. Smoked.
What?
Smoked it. Smoked that. Smoked that thing, buddy. Drop that thing like a sack of potatoes. What's that feel like?
Good.
Good? He's a man of many words. First deer, buddy. One shot. That's awesome, bud. Let's go see what we got. Yeah, man. First deer. What do you think about that, dude? Huh? Yeah. Dude, that's awesome. That's his first deer ever. First shot at a deer ever. Laid her down, bud. We chased some around earlier. And old dad was hard on him, not letting him shoot a small buck. Just couldn't connect with the does, but you connected with this one, man. Got my uncle's old Remington 700, 7x57 Mauser. It's a great little rifle, and it gets the job done. When you connect, and you connected, man, well, hey, this is awesome. This is the most fun I've had hunting in a long time, buddy. I'm proud of you. That's a really good shot. And he hiked his butt off already this morning too. You did a really good job. But now the work begins, because you've got to gut this deer and you've got to eat the heart before we leave. Can you handle that? And Amanda and Brandon are with us. I appreciate you guys helping us out this morning, try to get my dude a deer. I really appreciate
We love
you
it.
all. Thanks for being camera lady as well. But the work begins and the eating begins now. It's hard eating time. Or you can eat the heart or the tongue. I'll let you pick.
I don't feel bad for the deer.
Well, we're gonna eat the deer. You appreciate its life. You don't have to feel bad for it. It's food. Just like a cow or a chicken, there's no difference between a cow or a chicken or a deer. It's food, buddy. Don't feel bad when we go to McDonald's, eat a hamburger. I sure as heck don't feel bad when I eat some tenderloin. But super awesome hunt with my man this morning.
And I'm gonna tell Mama again.
Absolutely tell Mama Gammy. Old Dad's proud. Best hunt of the year.